F-1 student visa. How to avoid rejection or delay. You need an immigration document called I-20 to live and study in the United States. You may work with certain exceptions. F-1 visa is primarily for studying as an international student. Using any type of visa for any purpose other than it was intended is a violation of the U.S. immigration law. You do not get a second chance if your application is rejected. So you should be very careful not to make the frequent mistakes made by some international students. What are these common mistakes? You indicate a field of study that is totally different than what you have studied before. For instance, you studied music and now you want to study electronic engineering. You do not have your diploma, certificate, or transcript clearly showing your academic achievements. You need to present authentic copies of your educational documents showing your level of education. Your documents do not prove that you financed your education sufficiently. Your and your parents' bank accounts and other assets must be sufficient to support your education and living expenses. Another example is you state that you will finance your study by working full or part-time while studying in the United States. This will be a serious mistake resulting in immediate rejection. Another one is you are not clear that you want to come back to your home or native country. Expressing your views about finding a job in the United States is a big no-no. Financing your education in the United States. You must clearly demonstrate that you have financial resources to support your education. Your family's income, business license for instance, if owned one, bank statements and tax returns will help. Any additional document must be included. Show letters, if any, stating that you will get financial aid, award, or any other support from a university. Letters from your sponsoring educational institutions will help. Submit affidavit of support I-134 from your sponsor. Your sponsor must be an American citizen or U.S. permanent resident. Temporary residents cannot sponsor. Avoid saying that you expect to earn money in the United States. Such a statement implies that you do not have enough to finance your education in the United States. Avoid that. How can you prove that you will go back to your home country? This is an important issue. Be prepared not to be rejected. Show strong ties to your family and country. Refer to your family relations, indicating that you really intend to work and stay in your native country after you study in the United States due to your close relationships. Working for your parents' business is one of them. Document your assets, bank accounts and properties, real estate, land, car, if applicable. Mention potential employers who may hire you in your native country. A job offer is the best. Your previous employment in your home country may be helpful. You may lose your F-1 status if you do not have the courses of minimum load for your full-time student status. Each university states in its course program the minimum credits required for full-time students. You change your university that sponsored you with I-20 form. You are not allowed to register and study at another university unless you are permitted to do so. You work without authorization. Some jobs at campus facilities accepted for limited hours. There are serious restrictions relating to work in the United States. Check with your foreign student advisor if you have any doubt. Remember, you are allowed to study in the United States. Any activity that goes beyond your student status may create problem for you. Great country to continue your study. Warnings in the previous pages should not scare you. United States is a great country to learn the most recent tools and techniques in every field. Simply don't take any unnecessary risk to jeopardize your stay and study in the United States. You will enjoy the freedom, low-cost quality education, and new culture and understanding that you can bring to your home country. Many international students had better and high-paying jobs upon their return. Countries are in competition to get your larger share in global community. What you will learn in the United States will allow you to contribute more to your country's welfare and living standards. You should feel lucky if you get a visa to study in the United States. Many students in the world do not have resources to study abroad. You have a great opportunity. Now, take your first step. Get a full list of documents that university requested and have certified English translation of your diploma, transcript, and many other documents. Please read the previous pages one more time. Again, you do not have a second chance if your application for F-1 student visa is rejected. Thank you for your time and have a good luck. Bye.